Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can collect payment on Jabber. So first, of course, you have to make sure that you're already logged into your Jabber account. And once you're logged in, you will see an invoice section right here. So go ahead and click that, and then you will see all invoices, and then select that as well. Then after selecting all invoices, you will select the invoice that you would want to collect payment for. Click collect payment, and then you will choose payment method, like for example, credit card, ACH, or cash. Then you will enter the amount and confirm the transaction, and the payment will be recorded and the invoice marked as paid. And that's it. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you can also check under billing, and then you will see invoices and go and click collect payment. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.